Welcome back to my channel. Do you sometimes run out of ideas on what food to prepare? Well, today I'm going to share to you a recipe that your family and kids would surely love. I have here half kilo of ground pork, then 1 whole white onions, half a cup of shredded carrots, half a cup of dried shiitake mushroom, chopped, one-fourth cup of spring onions, then we need egg, 1 whole egg, salt, black pepper powder, half a teaspoon of sugar, half a teaspoon of sesame oil, two tablespoons of oyster sauce, then we mix everything together. When everything is fully incorporated, add 1/4 cup of cornstarch. Now that the meatball mixture is ready, we're going to shape it. But before that, I'm going to preheat the oil. Now make a ball shape. Then this is optional. You can use any types of cheese, cheddar or mozza cheese, or even quail eggs. You can put quail eggs. Now press it towards the center. Then that's it. You have a meatball with a surprise at the center. Now that I'm done shaping them, I'm gonna shallow fry them in a medium heat. After 15 minutes and it has turned to this color, golden brown, it's time to fish them out. Now I want to plate it in a different way. Let's make it more exciting. This is it! Meatballs with mozza cheese. I hope you'll try this recipe, and if you enjoyed this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching!